Hello guys, so today we're going to go over dividing rational expressions, and these are going to be the easiest ones. It's going to be level 1. Let's go over the steps that we're going to go over. We're going to be doing something new today, and it's going to be called the reciprocal. We've done it before in class, but I'm just going to explain it again with the examples. After we do the reciprocal, we're going to go ahead and combine my fractions and do one big fraction. Step number 3 is going to be factor everything that you see there. Step number 4, just like we always do, cancel like terms. And finally, step number 5 is just going to be multiply if we need to multiply. Let's go ahead and look at the first problem. On the first problem, you're going to have 16n over 17 divided by 8n over 6. We're going to do the reciprocal. What that means is I'm going to grab the second fractions in my problems. I'm always going to grab the second fraction. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and rotate it. So let's do that. I'm going to have 16, so that first one stays the same, and over 17 stays the same. Now the second fraction is going to change, and once we do the reciprocal, we're going to change the division to a multiplication sign. Now I'm going to have 6 over 8n. There we go, just like that. Once you're done with the reciprocal, we're going to do step 2, which is find your factors. So I'm going to do the factors of 16, which is 4 and 4. Factors of 6, which is 2 and 3. And factors of 8 is 2 and 4. Now, I could keep going until I find all the prime numbers, but I know I need to stop there because I see 4's on the top. I see 2's on the top, so I'm going to be able to cancel out stuff. So I'm going to leave it like this. Technically, you can still factor everything, and it should be still the same answer. Let's go ahead and rewrite our fraction now. So I'm going to have on the top 4 times 4 times 2 times 3 times n. That's what my factors on the top. Factors on the bottom is going to be 4 times 2 times 17 times n. There we go. Now we have everything done on the bottom. The next step is going to be cancel like terms. If I have the same stuff on the top and the bottom, I can cancel them out. So I'm going to cancel this 4 with that 4. I'm going to cancel this 2 with that 2. And finally, the n with the n. Anything that's left over is going to be your answer. So in this case, it's going to be 4 plus 3 is 12. And on the bottom is 17. And that is it. That's my answer. And then I don't have to do anything else. I cannot simplify that any longer. And that's it. That's the answer for that one. So that's the first one. Now let's go ahead and focus on the second one. Same steps. We're going to go ahead and do the reciprocal of the second. So second fraction, we're going to do reciprocal with that. So 7 over 18 stays. And then we're going to change division to multiplication sign. And it's going to be 9 over 8. Or 9a over 6. Second step, combine your fractions. So I'm going to do one big fraction. So multiplication sign here, multiplication sign here. And find the factors. Now, 9, I'm going to leave it alone. But 18, I'm going to go ahead and simplify that. So 18 is going to change to 9 and 2. And that is the only thing I'm going to change. Now let's write our factors. It's going to be 9 times 7 times a. And on the bottom, it's going to be 9 times 2 times 6. All right, what can we cancel? So I know the only thing I'm going to be able to cancel are the 2 9s. Everything else stays the same. And like I said, multiply if you need to multiply. On the top, we're just going to have 7a. But on the bottom, we need to multiply that 2 and that 6, which is going to be 12. And that is it. We're done with this one too. That is my answer. That is going to be how you're going to be doing type 1 problems. So just copy the notes and show them to me in class, and you get some free stickers. So thank you guys for watching.